this is John Stritzinger, and I am just going to give you some samples of how you go from Notepad to fancier versions of Microsoft front page called Web Expressions 4. This assumes that you know a little bit about HTML. I'm going to give you the basics. Essentially, an HTML file has a footer, a body, a header, and a start and end tag. This particular page that I'm working on just has a list in it. It has two links to Fox and CNN. If you click on option 1 or option 2, it has a picture of Snoop Dogg and it's aligned center. So when I go to my website and I pull that up, it looks just like this. It is saved on my training website, and when I go into Web Expressions 4, I see the code just as it is, and I can also switch to a split design where I can see the code and the text. So rather than using Notepad, I now can do both, and what this Web Expressions does is it gives me all the possible tags for an image and other things that development platforms usually do. The only caveat is when I edit in this tool, sometimes it adds things like styles, which I didn't include in my original document, that it has added as I have worked through the tool. So Microsoft is essentially checking my work and making modifications as we go forward. Now, in this tool, if you simply go and save first.html as, do a file save as, and I call it an ASPX file, then this tool will allow me, once it's saved as an ASPX, to draw Microsoft data objects onto the screen. So I can now build and link to SQL data, and not only that, I can display them without writing any code at all. So I can drag on a grid view onto the screen. I can link it to a data source that I just brought over, and I can enable page options, sorting, and inserts. And before you know it, I have all of that on my screen. So in less than 20 minutes, you can build a database. You can create some tables and put it on the screen in a single day for your boss and show them how smart you are. And in the other programming sessions that I've given you, you'll be able to put all of that together to make it work. Now, there are some more advanced IDEs than this. Microsoft's new platform is called Visual Studio, and this program they're calling Visual Studio 2010, and they're now on Visual Studio 2022 or 23. So that platform essentially has one release every year. So there are essentially 14 versions beyond this, and none of them will help you program faster. So this particular piece called Web Expressions 4 is just one module of Visual Studio, and you can download a community version of Visual Studio that you can use at home, but if you use it for work, this is pretty much it. So I'm giving you a tool that you can use for your business that is free, that you can download. And they do have a professional version that I'm using that has encoders and allows you to create videos and the like. So make sure you check this out. Please subscribe and link to our channel. And we have given you, along with these basics, 6 10-minute videos that you can do in a single day. And at the end of those examples, assuming you do the installs and the like, you should have more than 2 years of programming experience that you would get at a university. And we promise, because we used to work for a company acquired by Microsoft, and we assure you that we did the exact same stuff. So Anyway, this is a really good head start. The only thing we're not going to cover in our training is mobile development, which we plan to add later this year. So thank you very much. And again, my name is John Stritzinger from Greenville Associates. You can check us out on Twitter or on the web. And this training development is so that we can get you to use our FusionShell product. And once you do that, you will have a lot more happiness in your life. Thank you very much.